Hey everyone, I haven't made a video in a while due to I've been held up with a lot of things, but I'll finally be able to make a few over the next couple of weeks. Here is a late 1960s, early 1970s Superlectric model 1475T. I got this at a thrift store for $5 about a month ago, and it's in really nice condition, other than it was missing the original knob when I found it. And when I turn it to the back here, it has a few cracks in the rear grille in this the bottom right corner and the grill slat that the power cord goes through. I'll show you the side here. Otherwise, it's pretty much perfect. There's absolutely no rust on the fan, no stains on the blades or the cabinet, nothing like that. But I'll start it up on high. Medium. Low. And off. Alright, so this fan, just like the 20-inch models, has a very cool harmonic startup sound. Mostly all metal-bladed box fans have that sound. I'll see if I can catch it here while I start it up. Alright, here it goes on high. But yeah, it's a great fan. Not the best air mover because of the shallow pitch in the blades and thick plastic grills, but otherwise it's a really nice fan. And yeah, thanks for watching.